Do you struggle with a visible hump on the back of your neck? You're not alone. This condition, often called a buffalo hump or neck hump, can be caused by poor posture, long hours of sitting, or even excess fat around the neck area. But the good news is, you can fix it naturally and effectively with the right neck exercises and posture corrections. In today's video, I'll guide you through a powerful set of neck workouts and posture exercises that target the root cause of neck hump. These movements will not only help you reduce neck fat, but also strengthen your upper back and improve spinal alignment. By committing just 10 minutes a day to these exercises, you'll start noticing real changes in your posture and the shape of your neck. We'll start with a simple warm-up to loosen the shoulders and neck. Then, we'll move into exercises specifically designed to fix neck hump, such as wall angels, chin tucks, and upper back stretches. These workouts engage the muscles that support the neck and upper spine, helping you stand taller and feel more confident. If you've been searching for how to fix a neck hump, remove a buffalo hump, or tone your neck area, this is the video for you. Make sure to follow along, stay consistent, and track your progress. Let's correct that posture and say goodbye to that hump on the back of your neck, naturally and safely.